Moving in or out of Lake Elsinore, California, a full-service moving company can make the process smoother. In this video, you'll learn what full-service movers offer in Lake Elsinore, cost factors to watch out for, and how to get the best move possible. In Lake Elsinore, full-service moving means your movers will handle everything you need: packing, unpacking, furniture disassembly and reassembly, loading, transport, unloading, specialty item handling, storage, and even car shipping if required. You can customize services based on your needs. Two major factors drive your moving cost in Lake Elsinore: distance. Local moves are priced differently than out-of-state ones. Size of move. More furniture and boxes means more time and labor. Because of these, full-service moves tend to cost more than partial or DIY moves. Always request an in-home estimate for accuracy. The time it takes depends on how much you have and whether you're moving locally or across the state. A full packing and loading job can often be done in one day. For larger or long-distance moves, expect additional transit days. Movers in Lake Elsinore typically take an inventory first to estimate timing. To maximize value and reduce stress, request multiple quotes and compare itemized services. Make sure movers are licensed and insured. Remove or pack small items ahead. Let movers focus on large pieces. Alert movers about stairs, narrow halls, or difficult access. Photograph valuable or delicate pieces before packing. Confirm any guarantees like scratch-free or damage protection. These tips help avoid surprises or extra charges. When you choose a vetted moving network like 3 Movers, your carrier is pre-screened for licensing, insurance, and reliability. That means less risk, more accountability, and a smoother overall experience in Lake Elsinore. Full-service moving in Lake Elsinore doesn't have to be stressful. With smart planning and a reliable mover, you'll get through the process smoothly. If you found these tips helpful, like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. Best of luck with your move.